I am for the
My lord, I am for the petitioner. My lord, kindly straight away come to page
My lord,
58.
my lord,
My lord,
before-
this
before
is,
matter
there
is-
are two
my lord,
FIRs.
at the outset, my lord, may I point out the carelessness by which the writ petition has been filed. Your lordship kindly comes to the scene of this.
Lordship, that
Absolutely on
those can,
different issue. Thereafter, your lordship kindly comes to the list of dates.
All right, we'll come. What is quashing to?
Lordship,
And
there
my
are
lord, your
two
lordship
points,
kindly
there are
comes to
two
page
FIRs.
4
Lordship.
once, my lord. It has been addressed that this application is under section 482.
That is, Lordship, the typographical error. It has been missed out, Lordship. Kindly, your Lordship, directly, I
Paragraph
will
4.
file the amendment if it is required. These are curable.
So
That
this-
does not,
It indicates me not how careless
that does
this
not,
has
that may
been
be
filed.
careless, but that does not dilutes the contents of the writ petition. Lordship, kindly come to
I'm,
this.
uh,
This writ
disagree, my-
petitioner lodged a complaint before the police authority in the month of July. That, in that respect, the case was started. Lordship, thereafter, Lordship, at the instance of the other complainant, Lordship, they have started another case. Writ petitioners were arrested in lieu of the safe custody from the masjid. He is an imam at the instance of the local councillor. Lordship, kindly come to page 58 once. This is my complaint.
Charge submitted.
My lord,
Lordship,
we have
nothing.
cases. In all the cases,
Sir,
we have received
I'm-
No,
complaints
no,
of
no. The
cognizable offences.
prayer
Charge
today,
sheet submitted in
prayer,
3
wait,
cases.
prayer over here.
My lord,
Come to the prayer
my lord. My lord, may I submit the
in
report?
respect of Golabadi PS case number 277/24.
Yes,
77 of 24.
24.
That's the only case which has been challenged.
Yes. That is there where we are being shown as the accused persons.
Charge sheet has been submitted in
My
this
lord, my
case.
Kindly see, we were arrested. How the arrest was done?
In
That
all
is-
the cases,
We were
have-
taken to the police station,
we have
made
received
sit there.
complaints of cognizable offences, my lord.
That is
We have
that.
registered FIR.
How can they
all
arrest?
these-
Kindly
all
come
these
to this.
investigations,
There is that FIR.
Yes, kindly come to page number 42 onwards, page 25 onwards. This is the first FIR.
And first second 277 is which this one.
That is page 25, Lordship, P1. The FIR dated 1st September 2024. Don't kindly come to the written complaint, which is in page 26. And this is the forwarding report by the police. And kindly come to page 28, the first line. The accused persons kept in safe custody.
filed by the respondent. Page 26.
The
Executive
accused
petition.
persons kept in safe custody at PS. Later, I arrested the above noted accused persons.
Because we have
How?
subsequently we have received this complaint.
Lordship, this is repeatedly it is told that
Specific allegations against you, sir.
Precisely.
Lordship,
You read the FIR.
In page 26, my lord.
26, yes, 26.
yes,
You see, your name is coming out. Injuries are there.
kindly see
What washing?
this. How could they FIR? Now, kindly come to in my case. They
And
have
your
not
case
taken
is
any
different.
action.
That
Now,
will be
Lordship, kindly come.
You have come for quashing of this
Lordship,
case.
there are two aspects of this. Lordship, may I know, sir? There are two aspects. One complaint against me, one complaint by me. I lodged the complaint. Police ensured the accused persons get bail. The nature of
How can that
complaint
be?
was so serious. Kindly come
So
to
that is a different case. You have come for quashing of this
I
case.
have come here. I say I want to demonstrate this is a case of a complete malafide. Why this is malafide?
Malafide. লোকে চোখ মেরে ভেঙে দিয়েছে malafide.
No,
Medical
this has-
reports are there.
Lordship, kindly come to the next page.
তো বুঝিয়ে বুঝিয়ে এতদিন ধরে-
Lordship, kindly come to next page. Kindly come to the forwarding.
All
Kindly
the
come.
complaints-
Lordship, kindly
You
hear.
read the contents.
Yes.
You read the contents.
Yes, my lord.
Which court will say no offense is made out?
Very
No,
good.
Lordship, the question is the how the arrest was done. Kindly come to this is kindly what is the timing of this?
No, these are question of facts. I will not go into that. That is not a ground for quashing, sir.
Lordship,
You
this-
come up over here. You just say this is a false incident which has been complained of.
Lordship, what is the timing of the incident?
Timing of the incident is
Timing of the incident?
that's a we at the time of quashing of the FIR, you cannot have a plea of alibi.
No, now the
Ah.
question is police was present there at the time of the incident.
In front of police if an offense has taken
Police has
place.
not initiated any case.
This particular
Police
case.
went for law and
We have
order
received
maintenance.
complaints of cognizable
Police picked us.
offences pertaining to
No,
eye
Lordship,
injury.
Lordship,
there's
kindly
no
come
there's
to
no
this.
case. There's
Kindly
no
come to
no
the next
no.
page, Lordship, once. Lordship, kindly come to the next page once.
Complaints of
Kindly come.
Wait, let him say his
Kindly
case.
come to the next page. I know, Your Lordship, your Lordship will not be convinced. Lordship, I will try to address your lordship on this
Sir,
for my satisfaction. Kindly.
all right, you say
I know your lordship will not be
No,
convinced.
no, I will for my satisfaction, lordship.
Mr. Chatterjee,
Lordship, I
try to. You
Very
just
high
come
level
over here in the middle of page 26. Huh? Here it is stated, used filthy languages inside the masjid against us. They also assaulted me and some shawaz brutally and punched upon our face and eyes with a view to murder him as fully whatever Shahnawaz got serious injury upon his eyes, head, face, and other parts of the body and is in serious condition. I leave aside. Now, once that is
Child has
there,
been
This
damaged.
is made at what time, lordship? Kindly come to next page. This is made at time is 8:45 hours. They started. Kindly come to the page.
this
Now,
timing is not
why?
very
How the
important.
FIR was there? Kindly see, lordship. Kindly hear me for 2 minutes, lordship. If I can't satisfy lordship, I'll be out of.
You tell me in delay or mistime of
It's
FIR,
not delay,
there is
lordship. I am not on the
or
question
like
of delay.
mistiming, false timing,
Police was
anti-timing.
present there.
You on that ground, a principle has been set. Can FIR
Police
can
was present there. Police has taken me to safe custody. Kindly come to their report. Next page.
Complaint was received.
Kindly come. And after that, I am taken
We
to
were
the safe
complaining
custody.
against the case.
I am taken to the police
Complaints
station.
of- complaint
Somebody
of
comes
serious
and lodge a
allegations.
complaint, lordship.
Serious injuries.
Lordship, kindly come to the forwarding report. Once, lordship, kindly read it with me. In forwarding,
this is not a this is a
Police
bail app. This is not a bail application,
kindly,
sir. No.
lordship, one-
This is wasting time of
lordship,
the court.
kindly, one
No, Mr.
paragraph.
Chatterjee, had it been a case of interference, I immediately interfered.
Kindly see this.
There are on the face of it, there are injuries.
Lordship, the question how this has come. Kindly come to last
I don't
paragraph.
understand. There must be a principle on which I can interfere in a quashing
Lordship, kindly
application.
see that
Ah.
I have done. There is an allegation against me that I have committed certain offense. That allegation has been leveled. Admittedly, FIR has been registered.
Charge sheet has
I
been
want
filed in
to
all
say,
cases.
Lordship, what all I want to submit, the way the FIR was registered. Kindly
Pick up
come.
the points at the
Lordship, kindly come.
time of consideration of charges.
Kindly,
No,
kindly see this. Lordship, one.
you are wasting the time.
Lordship, again-
Unnecessarily, you are accepting.
May I read it?
Sir, you have accepted a brief. I have got nothing to say.
Lordship, may I only submit this? Lordship?
10 minutes I have granted you. Let it pass.
Kindly give me 1 minute, 60 seconds, Lordship. Only
Only 60 seconds.
Only. During the investigation of the case, I followed up all norms and procedure of investigation. Lordship, kindly see this. Page 27. Page 27.
Very often.
After the said incident,
Very often.
officers and this is not the way, sir.
Yes, sir. Carry on.
And forces rushed to the spot and detained the above noted accused. I was the accused
Hmm.
against whom the complaint is lodged later.
Hmm.
Persons, as the accused persons became furious, and there was every chance of breach of peace in locality as the incident occurs inside the mosque. There was every chance of law and order situation at the area as the accused persons committed the offense inside the mosque,
Hmm.
religious place. The accused persons kept in safe custody. At PS later, I arrested the above noted accused persons under proper memo of arrest explaining the ground of arrest.
Hmm.
Now, police has taken me to safe custody at that point of the
Because
time.
there was the chances of
Now,
mob violence.
there was a chances of the mob violence. I was in that
Possession
pretext.
within
I
the
was taken to
imams.
the police station.
Possessed by-
Now, coming,
fight-
FIR is
fight
coming.
including the imams.
Written
who will take the
complaint is
possession of
coming.
the mosque.
I have been arrested from the police station. That is what I want to demonstrate.
Hmm.
Now,
Sir, if the injured has given a statement against you, huh, that is enough. So far as these are concerned, these are all
and
addendums.
kindly come to my FIR. My FIR.
Done.
This was not done.
What done? Charge sheet has been submitted.
Kindly come to my FIR.
We have
Arre,
filed
that
the
is
charge
not
sheet.
your case over here. You have come up with
Particular
caution.
Kindly come to this action that how if that is the only consideration, there was a powerful man in his favor. That's why police has registered the FIR in this manner. Lordship, when the court, our court, repeatedly has said that safe custody.
120 seconds gone, Mr.
No,
Chatterjee.
Lordship, this is
No,
no,
no.
Lordship, no, Lordship,
Three
kindly,
complaints received.
Lordship, kindly see
Charge
what,
sheet has been submitted.
Lordship, kindly
This
come
way
to
I
this.
don't interfere in criminal proceedings.
Lordship, one judge.
Sir, on lodge, well,
Safe custody. Can I be taken to safe custody? And Lordship grant me the liberty to challenge that and declare that custody was illegal. Paragraph 13. It is clear from the manner in which the Professor Mohapatra and Sri Sengupta were taken from the office and the society in the police van to the police station at 11 p.m. on such and such date.
That is not your prayer over here.
Lordship, kindly give me liberty and file that.
You have come up for quashing of the
Lordship,
proceeding.
kindly give me the
And that
liberty
too
and I
under
will
section
challenge that.
482 as
Lordship,
mentioned
I
in the
will
application.
That is not
Lordship,
very
I will
important.
challenge that. Lordship, kindly grant me liberty.
That's a completely different issue. But
I will challenge
It
that.
will
I
come
will
up with a
kindly,
fresh application. sir.
I will
Fresh
file
with
it.
application.
Lordship, kindly grant me
This
liberty.
matter.
Kindly grant me liberty.
that's a separate question of law.
Lordship, kindly grant me liberty.
Yeah,
I will
you
challenge.
Kindly dispose
And
of this
Lordship,
matter.
kindly, and Lordship, kindly also.
Then you don't rely upon this judgment because you are now
Your Lordship,
you are wanting a liberty to file a fresh application challenging the mode and manner of arrest. That is what I
Modern manner of arrest,
Ah.
as well as Lordship challenging the other non-action on the part of the police to investigate my.
that's a separate cause of action totally. Here you are wanting a quashing.
Lordship, yes. On the basis of what I submit, Lordship, that because of this action, স্যার আমি তো আপনার সাথে কথা বলছি না স্যার, একটু আমাকে বলতে দিন, আমি তো এইভাবে শিখিনি,
what remains of
আপনাদের
the
কাছ
charge
থেকে
sheet,
শিখিনি।
what investigation?
ঠিক আছে, আপনি শেখাবেন, এখন আমি বলতে দিন আমার মামলাটা।
Reason you are saying in front of
Mr.
the
Ghosh,
court
please,
that I know that
please,
your
please.
You are so sacrosanct, sir.
Yes.
Let me learn. It's your failure that
Yes,
you couldn't
yes, yes.
teach me. Sir,
That's
my lord, kindly come to this paragraph that since this person's arrest itself is questionable, I wanted to make my submission stating that this incident was not happened because police admittedly was present at the time of the incident. I was taken from the spot to the custody, to the police station, and then I was arrested. That is something which is disturbing me and which has
What
complained
are
me.
you challenging? You are wanting still a quashing basically.
Lordship, that is my
Uh,
first prayer on the basis of the second round, which should have been drafted in a better manner, which is not
But
there.
then that's not a ground for quashing, sir. Even an illegal investigation can be a ground for submission of charge sheet. There's a principle set by the
Lordship,
Supreme.
kindly provide me that liberty to take it, agitate it before the court of law at the time of trial. That way, what is the trustworthiness of this particular complaint? I will take that point
That is all. That is
on the basis of this ground, as well as I'm seeking a liberty for declaration of. I will challenge this arrest itself.
that is over here only. That court cannot decide the legality,
No,
illegality.
that court I will before this court.
Parvana, arrest before this court you do.
I will.
I'm
But
that
your
part.
lordship can do this in this petition also.
This is
Hold
draft.
the prayer.
Have a better draft.
Yeah, I can do that.
That's why I am saying that we don't. I am deciding this, granting you liberty. So far as the issues relating to the merits of the case is concerned, you take up at the time of consideration of charges. So far as the issue relating to arrest is concerned, you file a fresh application. I'm granting you
I'll-
liberty. বলে আসলে তো প্রথমেই দিয়ে দিতাম। A petitioner has challenged the continuance of Golawadi PS case number 277 of 2024. I have I have considered the letter of complaint, which is the foundation of the FIR,
May I take leave, my lord?
FIR, and prima facie I find that there are accusations of injuries and grievous injury is having been committed therein. Full stop. The investigation of the case has already been completed, as is submitted in the report furnished by the state. Having considered the same, and that the documents, you have received the documents. I don't think so. 207.
No.
As having considered the same, I grant liberty to the petitioner to canvass all the issues regarding the merits of the proceedings associated with Golabari EPA's case number 277 N of the 24 dated 2/9/2024 at the stage of consideration of charges. Next, the petitioner also submits that there was an illegality in the arrest, as in the first forwarding report it was stated that the police authorities were
27
police authorities kept the accused in safe custody and thereafter later on arrested the petitioner. Full stop.
That police station, Lordship.
the custody at the police station है. अच्छा, having considered अच्छा, so far as such contention is concerned, petitioner is granted liberty to take out a fresh application under Article 226 of the Constitution of India relating to the legality or illegality of the arrestee is concerned. With the aforesaid observations, WOPA 28993 of 2024 is disposed of. Server copies. You take back. I'm not relying on when you move that. I will definitely consider the legality and illegality of the arrest concerned.
Grateful.